Infinity Tools is proud to introduce the Easy Angle Miter Jig. Miter saws are powerful tools in the shop, but even the big sliding models have their limitations. Traditional miter saws have fixed detents at 90, 22.5, and 45 degrees. But what if you need something in between? When you need to cut steep angles or repeatedly re-index to non-standard angles, life can be tricky at best, very frustrating at worst. You usually need to create specialty or one-time use jigs to hold your workpiece at unusual angles. That's where the Easy Angle Miter Jig comes in. Instead of rotating the saw head, this jig lets you move the wood, keeping the saw locked at 90 degrees for precise, repeatable cuts. With an incredible range from 11 to 112 degrees, the Easy Angle Miter Jig unlocks angles your miter saw alone simply can't achieve. Mounting is easy. Attach the jig to a wooden fence with screws or clamp it to a metal fence. Use the included angle brackets for the best fit with your saw. Simply set your digital protractor, align the fence, adjust the center rack, and lock it in place. Make a test cut and you're ready to go. Aluminum extension wings with stop blocks ensure consistent cut lengths up to 22 inches. And the symmetrical center groove keeps left and right cuts perfectly aligned. For effortless, repeatable miter cuts on your sliding miter saw, Infinity Tools Easy Angle Miter Jig. Precision made easy.